Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. And looking at this unit, if you are thinking I'm in Dubai or some Middle Eastern showroom, no, I'm in India in our own showroom, and this is made by Aarsun artisans. I'll give details about this unit. Before that, let me clarify a few points here. These days, we are getting a lot of pictures from across the globe, from Middle East, from Turkey, Egypt, Italian pictures, Italian furniture pictures, and we are making all those units right here. And the output you can see here. You can compare the image that is on the left and this unit, and you can see what we have done from an image. We got this picture from the client, and we have made the final unit right here in teak wood. It's the gold thing that you're looking at here is gold leafing. This is not paint. And then we have black shades, as you can see here. This is black paint. And the overall size and design is as per the client's requirement. And the best part, this is handcrafted, made by local artisans, master artisans from Aarsun Woods. And the work, the crafting, the beautiful work all over is the master artisan work that we are promoting across the globe. Not just India, but 55 countries we are sending this stuff out, and decorating homes globally with our furniture that is made as per order, as per requirement, as per the demand of the customer, all colors, design, size, everything, and at best prices, factory prices from Arson. Let's talk about the sizes now. The back part from this point to that point is 10 feet left to right. Total height is close to, I think, 9 feet, a little more than that. The middle part, this area is 7 feet left to right. Height is 30 inches. Front to back, from this point to this point, this is 20 inches. And if you're wondering what this unit is for, this is actually a TV unit that is designed as the client wanted. Probably they'll put the TV in the middle or on the table, that is their choice. But this is the overall pattern and design that they want. We can use it for other purposes as well. We can use it as a display unit. So if you have very beautiful stuff, your shields or your medals or your or what you have displayed in your home, you can place it here. Or if you want to use it as a dresser, we can use this area as a mirror frame. We can put a mirror here, and it can work really well as a dressing unit as well. And the design overall is amazing. When we talk about luxury furniture, generally we think about Italy or maybe Egypt or maybe Turkey. But when we are getting such beautiful thing done right here in India by the local artisans at Indian prices, not very high, very escalated or imported prices, why not to get it done right here? If you know, when we import stuff from out of India, there are very heavy import duties that someone has to pay. So Italian furniture or Turkish furniture, if you're thinking they're expensive, that is why they're good, that is not the right point, because there are a lot of taxes, import duties that are added to the price, and that is why they are quite expensive also. Overall work is done by artisans. The carving work that you see here and the paint work is done by master polish people, the paint guys. They're also amazing, because overall if you see the work, the gold leafing part, the paint work, and this texture paint that you see here is again a different thing that normal polish people or a local people cannot even think about, because this requires skill, amazing skill, how to get it done. And that is what Arson is doing for years now, for clients across the globe, for interior designers, for architects, the people who think very differently, very creatively, and the people who want to decorate their homes and get the luxury furniture, the stylish furniture, royal furniture, designer furniture. This is made in teak wood. This is not resin. This is not fiber. This is teak wood, and the output is right in front of you. Few things speaks for themselves, and this is one unit that is displaying the kind of work Arson is doing. We are exporting to 55 countries already, and entire India we have covered. We have decorated houses, flats, cotis, villas, palaces, and even for restaurants, hotels, and we have done some work for airports. So different places we are working on, different people we are working for, and a lot of interior designers and architects are working with us to get unique designs done. More than 1500 videos on YouTube to showcase our stuff, and our website arsonwoods.com, where you find a lot of stuff. And still, if you have some other design, something of your own choice from the internet, from somewhere else, or you have designed something from AI, let us know. We'll make that for you at factory price with home delivery in India or out of India, wherever you are. The number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.